officer. Are you okay, Cookie?
Wow, police officer are so cool. I'm gonna be a police officer when I grow up.
Thank you for helping me cross the street, Officer Cookie.
No problem, ma'am. I'm just doing my job. Hey, Big Mike, are you two playing?
Yes, Officer Cookie.
Yes, Officer Cookie. Have fun. Help, that woman robbed me. Hold on, I'm coming. Here you go, Cupcake. I could only get this bread.
I'm not hungry. You eat it, Mom.
Ma'am, please, officer. I didn't hurt anyone. I only took this bread for my daughter.
Please don't take my mom away.
I'm not taking your mom anywhere. She tried so hard just to get you this bread. Ma'am, let's go back to the bakery. I'll pay for the bread. Thank you so much, officer. I'll also get you a few supplies, too.
Wow, you're so cool. When I grow up, I'll be a police officer just like you.
What do you all think? Should I take Cupcake as my apprentice?
Let the child go, you kidnapper. I surrender, officer. Are you okay, Cookie?
Wow, police officer are so cool. I'm gonna be a police officer when I grow up.
Thank you for helping me cross the street, Officer Cookie.
No problem, ma'am. I'm just doing my job. Hey, Big Mike, are you two playing?
Yes, Officer Cookie.
Yes,
Ay, ang sweet naman. Ay, paano naman to si ba't masaya ka pa rin? Ay, sabi niya doon. Ay, ang cute naman itong batang to. Ang cute naman ito.
After ng saya,
Crazy. Scratching.
Wait. Heart ako! Ayoko! Him ka! Him ka kaya! Makikita niyo yung buhok ko, bigla siyang tumayo. Sobrang nakakakilabot sa bagong
underarm dark. Underarm dark mark.
Bibigyan yung mga pinaghirapan din ko. May pera ka ba? May pera ko? Bilyon! Dalawa yung bank ko, no? Bakit ano yung bank mo? Piggy bank and power bank!
pranking myself. For more exciting videos, please pranking myself. For more exciting videos.
Part 2 of the summer I turned pretty. So, as I was saying, this was very wrong. So, let me show you how to do this one, since all of you are so absolutely stupid. Excuse me, young lady, why are you so late? I was in the bathroom. Why were you in the bathroom? I was just, not an excuse. Go sit down. Ew, why do I have to sit next to smelly Sunny? Ew, dude, I feel so bad for you. Ew, that's so disgusting. Ugh, she's so disgusting. Ew, I feel so bad for him. Why are you guys, why do you all hate her? Because she's super ugly. She's not even
You can't come.
Ayan, follow nyo lang po ako ha, para updated kayo pag meron na akong glass size. Dito po sa taas yung follow button sa mga gusto ko. Stay here.
Your skin needs a refill.
Pwede ba akong
Let's clean our dirty, disgusting pool. Let's
Video call tayo. Bakit namin kiss dito? Bakit may namin kiss dito?
Mas bagay po
Sa
kayo
ano
sa ni
natin?
Kuya Advanced Skin.
Kasama si Ingrid at saka si Reggie. Bakit may kiss dito? Si Ingrid at saka si... Bakit may ano yun? Powerpuff? Sino yung Powerpuff Girl? Powerpuff namin? Powerpuff namin yan. Wow, inagpag talaga ako ni Reggie Sa Powerpuff namin? Tignan mo. Sige. Nahuli. Nahuli si Shilane.
Sorry na.
Guys, alam mo na si Shilane. Nahuli.
Nagkamali.
Sige, kidnapin niyo ako.
Hindi, sorry ka namin. Mali kami nakuha.
Bakit nandito ka na naman?
Mali yung nakuha.
Tingnan mo TikTok ko. Tingnan mo TikTok ko. Maganda ba?
Ako yan.
Tingnan mo nga.
Wala lang ako.
Hindi, iiwan ka namin. Balik natin doon. Balik natin.
Ano nga sa'yo ni AC? Ang arte mo naman, doon ka na nga. Celine, di ba hindi ka marunong lumangoy? May alam ako magtuturo sa'yong lumangoy.
Bakit?
Takip mo yung mata mo. Dali. Tago ka muna, okay? Pupuntahan ka lang. Kosoke! Halika nga, Kosoke! Kosoke! Di ba marunong kang lumangoy? Kaya dito, may tuturuan ka lang naman. Sobrang ganda
Tingnan
niya.
mo sa TikTok, may ginawa
Mabubusayan mo siya
ako.
pag nakita mo. Tara ka dito. Halika. Ano ba? Huwag ka na dito ka naman.
Nahina eh.
Ito.
Okay na ba?
Celine,
Hindi ko alam bakit.
andito na yung magtuturo sa'yo. Matutuwa ka. Sobrang gwapo niya. As in,
Nalalag ako. Ang pwede ko lang TikTok.
One.
Di naman, sis!
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan? Nag-expect ka ba na si Ace? Ito yung magtuturo sa'yo kasi
TikTok
magaling
lang
sa
ang pwede.
lumangoy.
Nahina yung wifi.
Ready ka na ba?
Pupunta ako.
Ayoko. Hindi, sis.
Dapat